Hi, I thought I'd show off some of my COVID projects. This is actually one of them. This is a storage room. I just put up the drywall. It used to be just bare studs with insulation. My other one is a sailboat. So it's a pontoon boat. It's actually made up of PVC tubes, some foam insulation for floating, and half-inch plywood. This is actually one of 3 of my float tests. I'm just putting it into the water here. I am paddling around Shirley's Bay. It was quite a nice day. Clouds, and it looks like very calm. Actually, I went out farther with this, and the wind sort of picked up, and then I started to drift away. So I get out, and of course I would like to put a sail on it. So this is just, I put some wheels on it, and I'm just doing a sail test to see if the mast and the sail's going to work. It's called a Latina sail, which is what I used to sail before. It was basically like a sunfish type of sail. It's got a main mast and a sail bar. So you see me rolling down the parking ride in Canada. You can see it's quite gusty, so I had trouble getting the sail to go the right way, but I finally did just go that way. So the downwind performance is pretty good. Here I'm just backing up, heading home. Upwind, it was fine upwind, but as long as I didn't sit in it, actually I could steer it going upwind. So what I really need is to do a full test is get more. There is a centerboard that I've tested. I have about 1.5 inches of freeboard. Let me know what you think of this video, and I'll keep you posted. Thanks. Bye now.